To attract money, follow these tips. Ultimately, your attitude, thoughts, and beliefs shape your world. Therefore, if you want to control your world, you have to control your beliefs. There are lots of ways in which you can shape your beliefs. I've written an in-depth guide to control your beliefs about your future, and there are many meditation techniques that you should try too. 1. Change your perspective. There's a famous quote that says, "Change your view of the world, and you change the world." Your perspective shapes the way you look at things. If you want to manifest wealth, you must see a world of wealth. See the world as a positive and friendly place where good things happen and when there are many, many opportunities. When you see a world of opportunities and prosperity, you will welcome good tidings into your life, you will experience the world at a higher frequency. Then you will manifest wealth. The meditation for manifesting money that we did above will help with this. 2. Look within. You must rid yourself of the obstacles between yourself and that which you desire. Stop thinking that abundance and success are out there. Instead, see yourself as a person of success and abundance. You yourself are the source of abundance. Use affirmations to create the belief that you are, at your core, a person of abundance. 3. Accept. Learn to adopt an attitude of acceptance. Allow yourself to have an abundance. Do not listen to people who seem to distance you from a world of abundance, and do not allow yourself to think negative thoughts about abundance. One of the most important ways to do this is to start with your view of yourself. Do you believe that your life is lacking? If so, change that belief. See everything positive in your life. See all the ways in which you already have abundance and prosperity in your life. When you see your world as a world of wealth, your mind will naturally manifest wealth. 4. Focus on the present moment. Use the present moment to create the belief that you are living a life of riches. Be thankful and grateful for everything you have in your life. Gratitude is one of the most important traits a person can have. If you are not thankful for what you already have, you will not get more, you'll get less. Express gratitude for all you have, this way more of the good stuff will come to you. Only with gratitude will you be able to manifest wealth and prosperity. 5. Action. Use positive action to affirm your life of riches. Begin acting as though you are already living a life of wealth. Make yourself push for abundance and prosperity. Ask yourself, what is it that you could do right now that would create the belief that you are living a life of abundance? Do that thing. Act on positive thoughts, on passions. Do everything in a more inspired way, at a higher frequency. 6. Kindness. Remind yourself that your life or abundance will be to the benefit of all. Tell yourself that you will use your life of abundance to benefit other people. This helps to look at abundance in a more positive light. The absolute most important thing to get right is the belief that you yourself are the source of abundance. You must see abundance in yourself. Abundance is not out there, it's in you. Change your view of yourself, see yourself as a person of abundance, then act on that belief. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more. Drop a like, comment and share the video.